It takes more than just skill to become an expert in the woods in 2026. It needs a blade that can withstand the unrelenting demands of survival and woodworking. High-performance fixed blades with specialized edge geometry and unbreakable full-tank construction are the main emphasis of this curated list. These 10 knives, which range from contemporary tactical workhorses to classic Scandinavian styles, are designed for complete dependability. These tools are the height of bushcraft skill, whether you're splitting logs or crafting exquisite traps. The Helle Nord Sleipner is a masterclass in Scandinavian engineering, built for the 2026 survivalist who demands a lifelong tool. This massive full Tang workhorse is handcrafted in Norway and features high-performance Sleipner steel. Its specialized geometry provides a perfect balance between heavy-duty chopping power and surgical precision for fine carving. The ergonomic handle, crafted from curly birch, is designed for multiple hand positions, ensuring maximum comfort during intense woodcraft. It features a razor-sharp 5.79-inch blade and an overall length of 11.18 inch. Despite its rugged build, it remains balanced at a weight of 15.87 ounce. Whether splitting logs or building shelters, the Nord delivers relentless durability and edge retention. Complete with a premium black leather sheath, it is the ultimate companion for serious wilderness expeditions. The Buck Knives 124 Frontiersman is a legendary American workhorse engineered for the 2026 survivalist. Originally a dive knife, this iconic full Tang fixed blade is the ultimate wilderness companion. It features a massive 420HC stainless steel blade with a straight-back buoy profile, offering exceptional strength and corrosion resistance. The ergonomic black micarta handle is paired with a polished aluminum guard and pommel, providing a secure grip in any weather. It features a razor-sharp 6.25-inch blade and an overall length of 11.75 inch. This formidable tool weighs 13.3 ounce. Whether you are field dressing large game or processing timber, the Frontiersman delivers relentless durability. It comes complete with a premium black leather sheath for secure belt carry. The Omiso Damascus hunting knife is a handcrafted masterpiece engineered for the 2026 survivalist who values both artistry and relentless performance. This premium full Tang fixed blade features a stunning 67-layer Damascus steel construction, delivering extraordinary durability and an ultra-sharp edge. The 5.2-inch drop point blade is meticulously polished, providing a hardness of 5861 HRC that excels in heavy-duty hunting, camping, and bushcrafting tasks. Its ergonomic hardwood handle offers a high-traction, comfortable grip, ensuring precise control during intense outdoor missions. It features a razor-sharp 5.2-inch blade and an overall length of 10.04 inch. This mission-ready blade weighs 11.1 ounce. Whether you are navigating the backcountry or processing game, this reliable tool combines traditional craftsmanship with modern utility. Complete with a handmade leather sheath and a gift box, it is a versatile essential for any elite survival kit. The Oni Tigris Camping Trail Forge is a versatile and rugged fixed blade engineered for the 2026 outdoor enthusiast. This full Tang survival knife features a high-performance, high-carbon steel blade, making it a reliable workhorse for heavy-duty bushcrafting and camping. Its straight-edge design is optimized for precision carving, while the robust construction allows for forceful chopping and batoning. The ergonomic PP and TPR handle in Coyote Brown provides a high-traction, non-slip grip that stays comfortable during extended use in harsh weather. It features a razor-sharp 4.76-inch blade and an overall length of 9.57 inch. This lightweight essential weighs a mere 5.6 ounce. Whether you are navigating a trail, building an emergency shelter, or preparing food at camp, this tool offers the perfect balance of strength and agility. It comes complete with a durable sheath, ensuring your blade is always secure and mission-ready.
Introducing the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife, the ultimate tool for any adventurer, survivalist, or outdoor enthusiast. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, this fixed-blade knife is more than just a cutting tool. It's your all-in-one survival companion. At the heart of its design is the combo edge blade, perfect for slicing, cutting, and sawing through tough materials. But the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife doesn't stop there. It comes equipped with a fire starter and ferro rod, ensuring you can spark a flame no matter the weather. And when the wild gets tough, the integrated sharpener built right into the sheath ensures your blade stays razor sharp, ready for any challenge. Need to signal for help? The safety whistle included on the sheath has you covered. And speaking of the sheath, it's not just durable, it's a multifunctional powerhouse designed to keep your knife protected and your gear streamlined. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip, navigating the wilderness, or preparing for the unexpected, the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife is your trusted partner in every situation. The Benchmade 162 Bushcrafter is a premium survival knife designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. For slicing, chopping, and precision tasks, the contoured G10 handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring control during extended use in wet or dry conditions. A standout feature is the hand-stitched leather sheath with a belt loop and D-ring, allowing multiple carry options.
The Benchmade 1602. A standout feature is the hand-stitched leather sheath with a belt loop and D-ring, allowing multiple carry options. Whether you're navigating the wilderness, processing firewood, or preparing food.
The Benchmade 162 Bushcrafter is a high-performance tool built to last. The CRKT Bugsy is a rugged and reliable bushcraft knife designed for serious outdoor survivalists. Crafted in collaboration with RMJ Tactical, this full Tang fixed-blade knife boasts a 3.78-inch drop-point blade made from 1095 carbon steel, ensuring excellent edge retention and durability. The black stonewash finish enhances corrosion resistance while maintaining a tactical look. The ergonomic G10 handle scales provide a firm grip in all weather conditions, making it ideal for whittling, batoning, and food prep in the wild. With its Scandi grind, the Bugsy excels at precision tasks while still being tough enough for demanding bushcraft duties. It comes with a durable sheath that allows for secure and convenient carry, ensuring it's always ready for action. Whether you're an experienced survivalist or a weekend camper, the CRKT Bugsy is a dependable tool that will handle the toughest outdoor challenges with ease. The Schrade Frontier SCH F52 is a rugged full-tang survival knife built for extreme outdoor conditions. Featuring a 7-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade, this knife is designed for heavy-duty tasks like batoning, chopping, and bushcraft work. The black powder-coated finish adds corrosion resistance, ensuring durability even in harsh environments. Its TPE rubber handle provides a firm, slip-resistant grip, making it comfortable and secure in wet or muddy conditions. The ergonomic design enhances control, making it ideal for precision work like feathering wood or skinning game. The SCH F52 comes with a durable polyester sheath, offering multiple carry options for easy access. It also includes a ferro rod and sharpening stone, making it a complete survival toolset. Whether you're in the wilderness or preparing for emergencies, the Schrade Frontier SCH F52 delivers reliability, toughness, and versatility, making it an essential companion for survivalists and outdoor adventurers alike.
Introducing the Victorinox Venture Pro, a rugged, versatile fixed blade designed for the outdoors. The knife features a durable satin drop-point blade made from Sandvik 14C28 steel, providing exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance with a thickness of 0.13 inch. This blade is built to handle tough cutting tasks while maintaining sharpness. The Venture Pro's non-slip polymer handle offers a secure grip even in wet conditions, with a bow drill divot for fire starting convenience. It's designed to be both functional and ergonomic, ensuring comfort during extended use. The full carry sheet system includes a pressurized ballpoint pen, tweezers, and a fire starter, all integrated into the sheath for quick and easy access. Perfect for bushcraft, camping, and survival, the Victorinox Venture Pro is a reliable tool for explorers looking to push boundaries. Whether you're processing wood, starting fires, or navigating rugged terrain, this knife keeps essential tools within arm's reach. Choose your steel, master the wild, and ensure you're never under-equipped for the challenges ahead. These are the tools that turn survival into a science. Make sure one of them is in your pack for 2026.